Okay, it is not a piece of wood or glass, because everybody comes in wanting that Korean glass skin, and I look at them and I laugh at them, and because glass is a material, skin is a living organ. Can I make hard to a car motor? Absolutely not. So that's something that I want to tell people. And also, Korean genetics and our genetics are totally different. It's something that we will never have what they have. So be very realistic about such things that's out there in the market.
Thank you very much. It was lovely to have you on our channel,